Hi, how are you? Good morning, everybody. I hope you all are fine. Today, this is a part 1 from the topics angles and lines. I collected some easy questions from past paper, both extended and core. So, my humble request, you can watch this video. While watching, you can take your notebook and pencil with you. So you will get the idea easily. The same time, at a time you can write notebook and any notes, everything you can collect it. So let's start. First question is very easy question. This is most of the question papers we have seen like this question. This very easy question. First of all, we have to check which property we have to apply. There is angles at a point. Angles at a point, we know that 360 degree. Then how we can find? So easily we can find it, right? Q is equal to 360 minus 123 minus 107 minus 88. That answer is 48. So you have to just remember, like this question, angles at a point is 360 degree. So next question. AB is given a straight line. We know that sum of angles in a straight line is 180 degree. So this is the very easiest question. So P is equal to 180 minus 108 minus 43. Answer is 29 degree. These some questions. Find value of y, x value. First x value, then second question is y value. This question you can near the question I draw one parallel line. This is a question from parallel line. Yeah, just look that red color angles. Those angles are which type of angle? We learned many type of angles. Mainly we are using one angle, that is Z angles. In a parallel lines, when a line is cross those line, so make an angle like Z. So Z angle, that Z angles are always equal. One angle is 50, another angle is 50. Like example, one angle is x, another angle must be x. So here the question given that 47 degree one angle. So the x answer is 47 degree. So let's think the next question. In the diagram you can see one quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is there. From one side of the quadrilateral the line little extended. So don't worry about that extended line first. First you can think about the quadrilateral. So quadrilateral, we know that sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Then what is the answer? Total 360 minus the given 3 angle, it will get the fourth angle, that means 63. The next think about straight line is there, right? So 180 minus the given 63 angle, that is equal to 117. So the answer y is equal to 117 degree. This also the questions from parallel lines. This is not Z angle, right? Yeah, this check this figure diagram. There is a marked red angles. This is called C angles. C angles not equal. That you have to always remember. C angles are add up to 180 degree. C angles are add up to 180 degree. So what is the answer? It is equal to 180 minus 130, 50 degree. So you have to just remember one more angle, that is C angles. When a parallel line cases, when a line is crossed those parallel line, then like a form like this angle, C like a C, you can write one C right in between the line and the angle. So that is we are calling C angles. So C angles are add up to 180 degree. Then 180 minus 130, it will come answer 50 degree. Next, these are the some line. In between the lines, maybe you can see triangle, but most of the students may confuse this question. Maybe they will connect Z or C, something like that angle. So what is the marked angle? Blue angle, marked blue color angle. That is two lines are there. Okay, when the lines are intersecting, there will make opposite angles. Opposite angles are always equal. Opposite angles. So those angles are equal. Opposite angles are always equal. Now before we learn Z angles are equal, then one more equal angles are opposite angles. So what is the answer that? Then we have to find third angle. Then that marked blue angle is 55. Then consider there is a one triangle, right? Here inside there is one triangle. In the diagram you can see one triangle. One angle is 50, another angle we got now 55. Then you have to find the third angle. That is, in triangle case we know that sum of angles are 180 degree. Interior angles inside in a triangle, interior angles sum is 180. So 180 minus 50 minus 75, answer is 75 degree. Now we didn't get the final answer. How we can find the final? That is straight line, the angle A on the straight line. So straight line angle we know that 180. 180 minus 75 is equal to 105. This question not that much easy, but some questions are very easy. What is, just to check x value. X value, where is x value? There is one parallel line, x value, x and that 37 just connect. What will come? Z angle. So x is equal to 37 degree because that angle. The next question, consider the triangle ADB. When we consider the triangle ADB, you can just there is marked right angle is there. Okay, right angle, there is right angle, that means 90 degree. So consider the triangle, sum of interior angles 180. So 180 minus 90 minus 37, final answer that y is equal to, we will get 53 degree. Next question, just to check the marked angle, green angle. Can you notice anything? In the diagram, already that triangle DBC, both sides are equal. Both sides are equal. In a triangle, both sides are equal, that we can call isosceles triangle. So in the case of isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. Base angles are equal. So just to check, both y and that marked green angle, just to check, marked green angle at d and y, is there any connection? Can you check, is there any connection between the marked green angle and y? Yes, parallel line, we can connect those angles as a z angle. So y, that one marked angle, green angle, is what we got before, y is equal to 53 degree. So the green one marked angle is 53. So the next also 53. Why? That C also 53, because isosceles triangle base angles are equal. Then how we can find the z angle? 180 minus 53 minus 53 is equal to 74. This question, first x value is very easily we can find. The next y and z value, you have to use our just mental work. We have to connect the parallel lines, angles, z angle, only z angle only this question apply. So like that you have to think about. This question, when you see the diagram, maybe you will confuse. Don't worry, it's very easy question actually. Some complicated diagrams are there, but nothing very easy. There is a straight line, then parallel lines are there, if both upper and down, the two lines are parallel. So we have to find the green marked angle, we have to find WVX. They're actually given 57. You can connect that 57 and the W, angle W, any connection. There is a parallel line. So that two yellow marked angle, just to think about, just to look, have a look, that we can see easily Z angle. So Z angles are equal. That means here 57, there also 57. Then consider the small triangle. In the triangle case, interior angles are 180 degree. So 180 minus 88 minus 57, that is equal to 35 degree. Here also when you see the diagram, maybe some confusion, complicate, nothing, very easy, very simple question. We have to find the value of x. First you can just have a look to that yellow marked angles. Is there any connection? Parallel lines are there, PD and ST are parallel lines. So in the case of parallel lines, that marked angles are which kind of angle? Can you just guess? That is Z angles, right? So Z angles are always equal. That is, one is 43 degree, automatically the C angles are also 43 degree. So how we can find the x value? The x value, angle C already 43 degree we got. Then angle B, what about angle B? Also 43. But what is the reason angle B 43? Angle ABC is a isosceles triangle. In the diagram both sides are equal, so that is isosceles. Isosceles angles, base angles are equal, so angle B also 43. Then easily we can find x equal to 180. You know that triangle, no need to explain again, right? You have to do some mental work. 180 minus that 43 minus 43, the answer 94. These two questions are here. This one is a triangle, very easy, very easy question. This is the easiest question. That is that triangle is isosceles. So some algebraic work we have to do that. One angle is given x, then automatically the base second angle also x. Isosceles triangles, isosceles triangle base angles are equal. So that triangle, consider the triangle interior angles are 180. So x plus 44 is equal to 180. That 2x plus 44 is equal to 180 degree. Then 2x 180 minus 44, x equal to 68. Then the second question, just we have to find the y value, but just think about that red marked angle. That angle make a straight line, right? Straight line, we know that total 180 degree. So 180 minus 49 minus 54, answer 77. This also very easy question. We have to find x, r and s. Okay, same like just before we did consider only that isosceles triangle r plus r plus 48 equal to 180 degree, then answer r is equal to 66 degree. Then how we can find? Okay, thank you. That last question r also you can do that straight line that I just skipped that you can do yourself. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.